In this video, I'm going to create a set of characters for my game, Ancient Story, using the Meshy API. I'll show you the entire pipeline, starting with reference images, then generating and optimizing the 3D model, rigging it, and finally importing the finished character into Unity. First, we need the reference images. For every character, I prepare 3 separate views, one from the front, one from the side, and one from the back. Ideally, the character should also be in a T-pose.
Once the references are ready, we can move to the Meshy API. The entire process consists of 3 main API tasks. The first task is the initial 3D generation. I send the reference images to Meshy and generate the main high poly model. At this stage, I want to preserve as much detail as possible so I don't aggressively optimize the geometry. The result can look very good, but there is one problem. The generated model can contain a huge number of triangles.
And that's where the second task comes in, remeshing. I take the generated high poly model and send it to the Meshy Remesh API. For my current characters, I'm testing a target of around 100,000 triangles. But after testing the results, I think this might actually be a little too aggressive.
The third task is rigging.
Once the remeshed model is ready, I send that result to the Meshy Rigging API. Meshy generates the skeleton and skin weights, giving me a rigged FBX that can be animated. After Meshy finishes all 3 tasks, I download the generated FBX files and move the rigged character into Unity. Inside the Unity model import settings, I change the animation type to humanoid. This allows the character to use Unity's humanoid animation system and makes it possible to reuse the same animations across multiple characters. The last thing we need to handle is the material. Just like I showed in the previous video, I extract the material from the FBX and assign the generated textures. After that, the model is basically ready to use in the game. And because the entire Meshy part of the process is controlled through the API, I can run exactly the same pipeline for many different Ancient Story characters without creating every model manually.